In this video, I will show you how to make your Steam profile public. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. By making your Steam profile public, this means you can share your achievements and your playtime and things like that with your friends. To get started, open up Steam and log into your account. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your name up here where it says manage account, and from this menu click onto view my profile. Now what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. From here, come over to the right hand side and click onto the edit profile button. On the next screen, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and come and click onto privacy settings. That's going to be down towards the bottom, and this way you can come to change your profile to public. You can see currently mine says my profile and it says private, but all you need to do is click onto this drop down box and change this to public. By changing your profile to public, as you can see it says your community profile includes your profile summary, friends list, badges, Steam level, showcases, comments and group membership. So this is all going to be displayed publicly by changing your profile to public. Now you do have some additional options which you can make public, such as your friends list, inventory and games details, which includes things like all of the games on your Steam accounts, games you've wishlisted, all your achievements and your playtime. So make sure to go through these and choose which ones you want to be set to public, and then just simply repeat the process, click onto the drop down box and change this to the public for the details that you want to be made public. So that is how to make your Steam profile public. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.